Hello guys, and today I just thought of doing a gaming thing because I haven't done a gaming thing in a while. This is my second gaming thing because I did a Minecraft one, like without the screen recorder. So the screen recorder here today. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. If you don't know what this is, Pacey Bits Pack Up 17. If you don't know, you can just buy packs and just open packs and loads of things. You can trade, you can get money and just look. I have 87k. So yeah, let's just go. Bernat from Athletic Bilbao, and he's Spanish. Vincent Kompany from Manchester City, and he's Belgium, and he has got a very good rating on his card. Left wing for Bournemouth, Gradle. Best player so far is Vincent Kompany. There's a Chelsea. David Luiz, 84. Should be a walkout, but you know. Good player. I'll just show you my cards. My best cards. So I have, these are my cards. I have Ronaldo, I have Messi, I have Hazard. The gold and black ones are the informs. The blue and gold are the team of the season, and the full blue ones I have none, but they're the team of the seasons. So yeah. My best player is the Cristiano Ronaldo inform. So yeah. Don't know. Let's go. I'm going to. Oh God, Neymar, 92 rated Neymar. I was just saying I'm gonna go stop at 100k when I get to 100k. If you can see that in the top right hand corner. It's Neymar though. That's an insane card. 92 Neymar. Brilliant. Oh my God! Oh, it's disappointing. But it's a blue, so I'm happy. I'm really happy with that. Look at that pace and that dribbling. A good card to get. The reason I'm pressing quick sell isn't because I want to quick sell them. It's just because I want to get rid of the cards that are not new. If it's new and you haven't got it, you can't quick sell it. Only if you've just started. Oh God! Yeah, only if you've just started the game and it gives you an option. If you can hear tongue licking, it's my dog who's licking his fur. Jonathan Vieira from is that Las Palmas? And anyway, it's Spanish. Fellaini and Welbeck. That's a good. They're two alright cards. An inform again with Newcastle's Mitrovic. Alright inform. There's not many informs that are like that. Right back, Juan Fran. Oh, that's a rubbish one. It's a 79 rated. That's alright, you know. Not the best, but it's alright. And guys, I will be making another video in this pack opener, and when I get to 300k, I'll just keep playing it until I get 300k. I'll make a new video on it of I'll just buy one big special pack. Let me just try find it. Store. I'll buy that. Okay guys, I've just got 100k from just an Instagram. But let's just get back on foot pack opener. That was weird. That was really weird. I have literally just got 100k for free. What the hell? I have just got 100k for free. Wait a second. Store. Look, the Tots pack, at least one Tots player. And that's 200k. And I've just got 100k for just following them on Instagram. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just JL7_footy. Do it now. Let's go. It's a rubbish player. So guys, I've got 100k. So yeah. Bye guys. Wait till I get to 200k because it's just... I need that because I just got 100k for free. People, I just got 100k for free. Who gets that? 100k. What the hell? I'm around here. Okay. Who gets 100k for free? That's just mad. Absolutely mad. Now I only have 1,000 to get. That is mint. Neto. No, I don't know. I've never seen him perform on the pitch, so you know, I can't say he's good or he's bad. Zayn, I've seen him play, but you know, I like his hair. Don't know why. No way have I just got Luis Suarez and Neymar. No way. Oh my god. I've actually just gone and got Neymar and then Suarez. That's impossible. Get in there. Mahrez! There, look at my dad. Get in, Mahrez! This is the last pack. It's Dele Alli for the last pack. Last pack, Dele Alli. That's alright. Look, 200k, smash 200k. So guys, that is the end of this video.